Most people wouldn't put Amtrak and all-inclusive in the same sentence. And you might be wondering, why is All-Inclusive Reviews doing a video on train travel? The reality is, Amtrak and all-inclusive can go hand in hand, and here's how. When you book a sleeper, which includes a roomette, a bedroom, a family bedroom, or a handicap-accessible bedroom, the train becomes not only your transportation, but your lodging. It's not just transportation from point A to point B, it's actually part of your vacation. Another benefit of sleeper car travel is that all your meals are included in the dining car. This makes it truly an all-inclusive travel experience. For a detailed overview of the meals being served in the dining car, please check out our video about food and dining on Amtrak. The link is in the description below. In this All-Inclusive Reviews video, we will cover the bedroom in the Superliner Amtrak cars. The Superliner is a 2-level train car. On the lower level, you will find 4 roomettes, the family bedroom, and the handicap-accessible bedroom. Upstairs, you will find the other 10 roomettes and 5 bedrooms. As you first board the train, you will find an area available for luggage storage. Because there isn't a significant amount of extra space in your room, store your luggage here and bring a backpack with your personal items to your room. You do have access to your stored bag throughout your trip. Next, you will travel up the tight staircase to the upper level of the car to reach the bedrooms. As you enter your bedroom, you will be greeted by a long bench seat, a cozy armchair, and a beautiful expanse of windows to watch the world travel by. Situated between the bench seating and chair is a convenient fold-out table, very handy for games, eating, or getting some work done on your laptop. For privacy, the door to your room can be closed and easily locked for security. There are Velcro curtains that can be closed to provide privacy from passers-by or simply to eliminate light from coming in. Your in-room storage options are limited and small, but functional. There is a shelf located above the armchair that could hold a backpack or a small roller bag. There's also some limited storage available under the armchair and bench. The closet, located next to the door, includes a couple of hangers and has additional limited storage. You'll also find coat hooks located in various places for hanging bags, toiletries, or coats. Flanking the bench seating, you'll find your controls for the ceiling light, a call button to call your room attendant, and a volume control for the intercom system. Leave this on channel 1, and access to a reading light. On the other side of the bench are controls for another reading light, the temperature control adjustment, and a power outlet. You can control the airflow in the room by adjusting the black slider on the vent located above the door. Air hint. You may want to bring some wipes with you to wipe the vents down. Located above the armchair is control for another reading light. Power outlets in the room are extremely limited. Air hint. So we suggest bringing some type of a power strip with you to keep your devices charged. Across from the bench seating is your sink. This is not potable water, so wash your hands with it, but don't drink it. Your attendant will provide you with plenty of bottled water during your trip. You'll find 2 light switches by the sink, one for the restroom and the other for the light above the sink. The other power outlets are also located by the sink. Located just below the sink, you'll find your trash can and a cabinet with extra hand towels and toilet paper. Your private restroom is a wonderful convenience. Although a tight space, it functions well. It doubles as a private shower, kind of. You see, I'm a bigger guy and I find the common shower located downstairs to be a better option, as it is much larger than the one located in the room. With that being said, trying to shower on a moving train could be considered an adventure in and of itself. Last air hint, my suggestion would be wait either for a fresh air stop or a crew change stop to take your shower on a non-moving train. As nighttime approaches, your room attendant will transform your room from daytime seating to nighttime lodging. This will be done at your convenience. All you have to do is notify your room attendant when you would like to have the room changed. The lower bed is 1 foot wider and an inch longer than the upper bunk. There is a ladder for accessing the upper bunk. However, we found parkour and Cirque du Soleil acrobatic skills much easier than navigating the ladder in the middle of the night. Thank you for watching this all-inclusive reviews video. If you liked this video, would you please consider giving us a like and subscribe to our channel? We have some really exciting new content coming up, so definitely click the little bell so you're notified when we release new content.